Starting a hotshot business. Today we're going to be discussing the basics of starting a hotshot business. If you are interested in becoming an entrepreneur in the trucking industry, this is the video for you. But before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important trucking topics. Step 1 is to obtain a commercial driver's license and a DOT number. The DOT number is used to identify your company and is required for any vehicle that weighs over 10,000 pounds. You can obtain your CDL license by enrolling in a truck driving school and passing a written and driving test. Once you have your CDL license and DOT number, step 2 is to choose the right truck and trailer for your business. Hotshot trucks typically use flatbed or gooseneck trailers, but there are other options available. Consider the type of cargo you will be transporting and choose a truck and trailer that can accommodate your needs. Before you can start your hotshot trucking business, you will need to take care of step 3 and secure the necessary permits and insurance. This includes permits for oversized and overweight loads, as well as liability and cargo insurance. Be sure to research the requirements in your state and obtain the necessary permits and insurance before you hit the road. Once you have your truck, trailer, permits, and insurance in place, it's time to move on to step 4 by setting your rates and finding customers. Research the going rates for hotshot trucking in your area and set your prices accordingly. Then, start networking with potential customers and marketing your services. Running a successful hotshot trucking business requires good business management skills. In fact, step 5 is all about managing your new company. This includes overseeing your finances, scheduling your deliveries, and maintaining your equipment. Make sure to keep accurate records and stay organized to ensure the success of your business. In conclusion, starting a hotshot trucking business requires hard work and dedication, but it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Remember to begin by going step by step. First, obtain a CDL license and DOT number. Then choose your truck and trailer. Next, secure the necessary permits and insurance. Then, set your rates, find customers, and manage your business effectively. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your hotshot trucking business. Please do not forget to give this a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell for notifications so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit drivers and carriers. Also, we would love to hear your feedback and answer any questions that you have. So go ahead and drop a comment below. In fact, feel free to call our third-party organization now to learn more about starting a hotshot company. If you have any questions, call 866-477-0707. Drive safe and goodbye.